Before we begin, I invite you to remember your relationship with money is part of your spiritual journey, and prosperity is your birthright. Stay tuned for my new course, The Money Confidence Blueprint, coming soon. Now, relax and open your heart to release fear around your finances and experience money breakthroughs. Welcome. Make yourself comfortable in the chair where you're sitting or lying down. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Deep breath in again. And as you breathe in peace. And as you breathe out stress. One more time, deep breath in. Breathe in peace. And as you breathe out stress. Now let yourself arrive here. Rest assured that you are safe here. Rest assured that you are supported here. You don't have to have it all figured out. You don't have to have it all together. You don't need to know how it's going to happen. Right now, just know that you are supported. You are safe to breathe. You are safe to release. You are safe to rest. And as you listen, allow your body to soften and your heart to open. Know that this is a sacred space of peace, calm, and trust. Now, you may have felt anxiety about money, the kind that sits stubbornly in your chest or has kept you awake at night. Maybe you've worried about how you're going to pay your bills. Maybe you've had concerns about what's coming next, or even fear about your future. Today, we honor that fear and gently let it go. I invite you now to picture it as a gray mist within you. And with each exhale, watch it dissolve into light. You are not your fears. You are not your worries that kept you awake at night. You are not your past experiences with money. You are the awareness that's healing them. Take one more deep breath in and release it fully. And as you exhale, imagine every fear, every worry, every anxiety about money leaving your body. It is now replaced by peace, trust, and calm. I invite you now to feel a golden light begin to glow in your heart. Feel it warm, steady, and peaceful. This light reminds you that money is energy, and energy flows where there is calm, gratitude, and trust. Now whisper softly to yourself, I release fear completely and I choose faith. I am safe and supported in every way. Money is simply energy in motion, and I am open to receive it with peace. Now, picture yourself walking through a golden doorway into a space of ease and abundance. The air feels lighter, your spirit feels brighter, the weight of worry has lifted from your shoulders. I invite you now to see infinite opportunities ahead of you. Doors that seemed closed suddenly open to you. You're continually surrounded by generous people wanting to give to you. New clients keep lining up to work with you. Amazing new ideas keep flowing to you. Money and opportunities keep showing up for you. You are surrounded by infinite abundance, and it feels so good. Every day you wake up, you pinch yourself. You are now living in the flow of endless abundance, and it feels oh so good. You realize now that Creator has been orchestrating support for you all along, even when you couldn't see it. Now feel this truth settle into every cell of your body and every fiber of your being. I am guided. I am supported. I am provided for. Absolutely. Know that you are guided, you are supported, you are provided for. And it's from this peaceful, trusting, calm energy that money flows to you naturally. Now, allow yourself to soak this in and embody this calm confidence about money. And know that you can come back to this anytime you could use an extra dose of this energy. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, open your eyes, and come back to this space, this time, this moment, refreshed, ready to receive. Your new chapter of money confidence begins now.